Hi friends, welcome to Zach Animate Studios, creativity one step at a time. So I had just this one simple question I wanted to pass across. I know it entails working with faces, materials, and this was a simple question I wanted to ask, whereby I have created this hollow material. Basically it's a box. I've done boolean object onto it and I want to pass it, basically send it to Iclone. Okay, so what I have just done, basically I've already linked Iclone with the Blender, so I want to scale it up a little bit. Basically maybe I'm creating a scene where I have a tunnel. Okay, so basically this is the tunnel I want to have inside my Iclone setup. So basically this is what I have created. It's so simple. Just you click go Iclone and then you will see an action has been sent, and then when I come to Iclone you will see that I have that item here already sent to Iclone. I can delete this because it's not there. Okay, basically let me just delete everything on the scene just to leave this person. So basically what I wanted was this item inside Blender. So basically go Iclone. So basically that person has been sent. I still want to know how to, what do we call, so this one, go Iclone. Yeah, action has been sent. So this is the hollow item that has been sent. But actually I'm asking a question because I want this hollow to be perfect. I don't know how it is gone about on these faces. I don't know how they clean up these faces so that we have a hollow item of this item, basically a hollow surface on this other side. As you can see from Blender, it's a very perfect hollow surface. It's a very perfect hollow surface. If I add a plane, here, if I had a plane and then I scale it up, it's a very perfect hollow. So basically what I did, I created a boolean, and then that boolean I had to subtract that item, and then I got this hollow. So I think with the flow of the flow from Blender to Iclone is very perfect, thanks to Iclone. So basically I have now that item on this other side, and I'm hoping that I want to make this surface looks perfect. So if you have any idea of how to make this surface look perfect, but what I was thinking about was editing. I don't know if you edit this item on Iclone or removing opacity will really work, but if you have that idea, please, and you see this video and you have an idea, please respond and also tag me along so that we can create this perfect hollow, because basically this one is going to help me a lot. I believe it's going to help a lot of developers out there, or animators who are going also to be working with let me say, when you want to work with surfaces, maybe you are creating a house and you want to create a window, because basically that one also affects a lot when you want to create a window. So guys, I'm posting this question. I'm also going to post this question to Real Illusion Iclone people, so that if they have this they can also like share with. I'm also going to tag Mr. Solomon Jagwe. I believe he's a very good 3D artist, and he has some clue about it, because basically it's a very simple technique, but if you are stuck, you also need just to ask questions, ask friends out there, and they're going to help you out. So Zach Animate Studios, guys, and if you have an idea of what you want to do, please go ahead and do that. I believe animation, you can tell a lot of stories. I'm just trying to imagine how fast you can create a story with Iclone and Blender. So basically, the reason why I have chosen that is because, okay, basically my PC is also that it's not that heavy, that has a very super graphic card, but it has very that medium, and then I can still do a little of creation. So please, my question is just very simple. I want to remove this feathery interface here, so that I can have a perfect hollow item here. Like let me just use another item. Okay, I don't know if it will work. I'm also going to try this one out. This is just another thing I'm just going to try out. I'm going to go to this pack, and then I'm going to go to props. I'm going to send one to Iclone. I don't know, it is okay, not really flows, but yeah. The question is, let me just try to represent with something that I have seen here in 3D blocks. We have this one. Okay, this one. This is what I'm looking for. Yeah, I've got it. Walls and faces. You see, what I really want is this one. Yeah, okay, you see this perfect wall. Okay, as you can see, this is a very perfect wall. Okay, this is a very perfect wall, and it has a very perfect, as you can see, it has a very perfect you can see the cutout of the windows are very perfect. So I'm just asking now, when I bring these to Blender, so basically I want to do the same thing. I want to see how it will really look like. I'm just going to send it to Blender. It was a question, but I'm trying also to find if I can get a solution to it. So I'm going also to send it to Blender. I'm going to send it to Blender. Go Blender, not really. Okay, go Blender like that, and then I'm going to open it in Blender, and then as you can see, it has a very perfect. Let me see. Yeah, it has a very perfect cutout, as you can see. And if I get the solution right here, then I think I have solved it. So what I was thinking, let me try to do a boolean. I'm just going to add a box here. I'm going to add a box, add an object, a cube, and then that cube I'm going to send it right there. Okay, so basically I want to cut this. Okay, I want to cut this. I'm going to scale it up to that location, and then I'm going to do some. Okay, now that is it. I'm going to do some boolean. I'm going to add a modifier. Add a modifier is going to be boolean. Okay, and then I'm going to select object that I want to cut. I'm going to pick this one. Okay, and then I'm going to apply the difference. Okay, apply, and then I'm going to delete now this one, that boolean. So you see, I have now a perfect basically that. So I want to take it back to Iclone. Okay, so just hit go back to Iclone. Let me see if it has already been sent. So let's see. I'm going to remove that one because I'm just going to move it a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, that is the perfect. So basically now I'm asking for a new, oh yeah, this is what I wanted. You see, that is perfect. This is the question I was asking now. But then help me make a good, you see, this one has a very good perfect cutout. This is what I wanted. That was the question I was asking. Now if you know how to now paint back this one to have that perfect cutout from object from Blender, okay, so that is the question. Object from Blender, I've seen you can do that. I've tested, it is working. So I might use that method to continue building up materials. At the same time, if you are going to use this other side, this is this is a new object. How do I use, I want to now to have the same cutout, right? Like the same cutout. This is a same cutout from object materials. So basically, if you know that, please help me out. With that, I know you have learned something, guys. I know you have learned something, and please like, share, and follow us for more. Zach Animate Studios, creativity one step at a time.